Mobile gaming is all the rage these days with AAA game developers releasing games for smartphones. But we all have faced certain issues like overheating, frame drops and lag while playing some of the most popular games like PUBG Mobile or Call of Duty or even Minecraft. So in this video, I'll share 5 tips to help you boost your Android's gaming performance. Hey everyone, this is Neil from TechieTechTech and let's jump in. Okay, so let's start off with installing a game booster app and make sure that you don't have any task killer apps running in the background. Also, there's a difference between task killing apps and game boosting apps. If you want to boost your Android's gaming performance, then always use game boosting apps and not task killing apps. That's because the game booster apps pause the background apps when you launch a game. And all those paused apps are enabled once again after you have closed the game. On the other hand, the task killers basically kill all the running apps, including some of the essential ones too. The downside of using task killers is that Android will relaunch the killed apps in background, leading to more lag while playing games. This also causes more battery consumption. For example, I'm using the Game Booster app by PUBG Mobile, which also features support for rooted devices. You can also use the FPS monitor to measure how effective the Game Booster app is. I'm using a OnePlus smartphone, so it already has a native game booster mode called Fnatic mode. So make sure to check whether your phone already has a game booster mode or not. Second tip is to turn on forced GPU rendering. What it basically does is the GPU of your smartphone will take care of all the queries or processes related to graphics processing instead of the CPU. This takes off the load from the CPU, which can easily process the other queries relating to the game. Here's how to enable forced GPU rendering. Go to settings and turn on developer options. In case you do not have developer options in your device, then go to about phone and click 5 to 7 times on build number option. There will be a pop-up message saying you are now a developer. Go back to settings and now you'll be able to see the developer option. Click on it and go to hardware accelerated rendering option. Change the settings to forced GPU rendering. Please note, by enabling forced GPU rendering, your phone will now consume more battery. The third tip is to clear cache and free up some storage. All Android devices perform slowly when they are low on storage, so make sure there's ample of storage available on your device. You can clear up storage on your phone by clearing app cache or removing bloatware apps. You can also clear some cache by using a file manager or removing them individually from the settings. Here's a pro tip. Make sure to keep the used storage of the device under 90%. The fourth tip is to avoid using live wallpapers and extra widgets. Make sure to avoid using live wallpapers and extra widgets as they use up the extra RAM, which directly affects the gaming performance of your Android device. The fifth tip is to update your games. Another way to boost your Android device gaming performance is to update your game. But make sure to check the most recent reviews of the game for your device in the Play Store. And based on the most recent reviews, you can make the decision of updating the app or not. If none of these tips aren't helping you boost your Android's gaming performance, then the last resort is to reset your phone. Make sure to back it up before resetting it. Hope these tips helped you. Let me know in case you have any queries. Hit the subscribe button for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.